so much. Thank you. Itima bed. Tugende Mukikadde with a bite. And after a bite, it will be an interactive session. Kunurwa na kunywa na kurumukoro gwatambula guta. Interaction and engagement for each other and a vibe from Nairobi. So much. What's your name?
My name is Jess.
Okay. Nairo Special Ag, I need to sponsor this young, beautiful girl. You do the vibe, right? But okay, I'm very impressed. Remember the way place and the sponsors. She's very nice. She's good. These are Tubaita Tutia, backup artist, superstar. Thank you so much. I like the other part where you said Omanomi Chinechirabo. You know what it means? Okay, when on 13th you come, those Westerners will take you through. Omanomi Chinechirabo is, it means, I tell you now, or Trijamba Bakwages. Are you married? I'll get somebody to teach you if you are not married. You're married to Minyankon and he has not told you Omanomi Chinechirabo. Our members, welcome once again at this point. I'll come the place once again. Hope everyone is around. this strong Nyankore Chiga. How come you know the language? You are. Yes, enjoy. Thank you so much. Let's clap for the beautiful lady. Karunji, you have to take this lady to Mbarara. Anywe kumata, onywa hamate, waga kakunu bakwete gereza ngweria hariyo vibe mwana and will be honey, by the way. We reach the highway in this side. I'll buy a bottle of honey and you'll enjoy. Okay, let's have the team from
as the previous years have been. So we do believe that the people in Mbarara, the people in Masaka, where we're heading after Mbarara, we hope to see you all at Terena enjoying the Now Special. We've tried to make this a little bit bigger from our end as Now Priorities, and we are having high activations in all these regions. We're having 6 of them in Mbarara. So for those people in Mbarara, this started last week. We have 4 to go. This is going to be the case in Masaka and the case in Kampala. It's not really a big day of speeches, and I don't want to bore you so much. We just hope you have fun. The photos are here, and they're on the house. Thank you.
Production. So we hope for the very best. At least I've had an ear to the ground in Mbarara, and people are telling you know what? The last I heard, I think there was